Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now take a look at this. Ripple versus the SEC possible settlement and reduced fine for XRP. Before we move further, there is a new crypto airdrop now taking place on Telegram, which is about to launch on the 28th of this month. Please make sure you participate in this airdrop. The link is in the description of the video. Don't miss out on this. Now let's continue with our video. Legal professionals debate the prospect of a settlement in the case between Ripple and the SEC and the possibility of a fee reduction for XRP. ICO holder is one of the most important components that will determine the outcome. The ongoing legal issue between Ripple Labs and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, does not appear to be showing any signs of resolution. Nevertheless, recent negotiations have suggested that a potential settlement or reduced fine might be in play because legal professionals such as attorney Jeremy Hogan have expressed their opinions on the topic. Exciting possibilities have been brought to light regarding the future of Ripple and its ongoing battle regarding the status of XRP. The possibility of Ripple settling with the CC Hogan, well known for his in-depth study of the case, recently brought attention to an important aspect of the continuing legal drama. This significant aspect is the possibility that Ripple will settle for a punishment that is less than the $125 million. Even though this settlement would provide Ripple with some relief, it would also bring up substantial doubts about the integrity of the court's first fine. Legal professionals have pointed out that a settlement might potentially undermine the decision of the court if the Securities and Exchange Commission agrees to accept a punishment that is less severe than what was initially proposed. Ripple may have some leverage in this issue, according to James Murphy, another major player in the legal community. Murphy referred to the pending cross appeal in the case, which addresses the question of whether or not Ripple's sales of XRP institutional investors might be termed investment contracts by the laws governing securities. He brought up the fact that this crucial matter may be the focal point of Ripple's defense and could potentially result in a reduction of the punishment, particularly because the court gave this argument only a limited amount of consideration in its initial ruling. In the Ripple case, the Howey test was utilized to assess whether or not an asset is an investment contract. Murphy drew a comparison between the case of Ripple and the Howey test, which is a significant standard utilized in the United States securities law environment. Ripple's sales of XRP, according to Murphy's analogy, are comparable to wholesalers purchasing oranges at a reduced price and then reselling them for a profit. According to Murphy, the most important thing to keep in mind is that these transactions, regardless of the monetary value of the goods or services involved, might be nothing more than sales of commodities rather than investments in Ripple itself. This argument may be the deciding factor in whether or not the court decides to lessen the fine or perhaps negotiate a settlement. Uncertainty regarding the changes in SEC leadership during the ongoing proceedings. There is an increasing amount of conjecture around potential shifts in leadership within the SEC that could have an impact on the result of Ripple's battle. Some legal experts believe that Gary Gensler, the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, could be subjected to increased political pressure, which could result in his departure. If such a change takes place, it may have substantial repercussions for the conclusion of Ripple's case, in addition to other big cryptocurrency litigation that is presently being litigated. How does Ripple plan to proceed? Legal professionals think that the Ripple SEC case, along with other litigation about cryptocurrencies, may be able to achieve a settlement as the year 2025 draws near. It is expected that Ripple's legal team will continue to investigate every approach that could potentially lead to a beneficial outcome, including the prospect of settling. The cross appeal and how the court will interpret Ripple's sales of XRP, which may play a key role in the eventual ruling, continue to be the primary focus for the time being. The outcome of Ripple's ongoing struggle with the Securities and Exchange Commission will continue to have a significant impact on the future of XRP. However, Ripple's legal strategy may change in the coming months as a result of these events. The Ripple Foundation is now receiving a lot of attention as a result of a recent favorable court judgment regarding the continuing SEC case. After hearing the news, the price of XRP has responded in a bullish manner, startling the community with a price increase of 85 cents within 24 hours. The market is optimistic about the possibility of a judicial resolution occurring shortly, which has contributed to the continued growth of Ripple. At the same time that the price of XRP continues to rise, Ripple versus SE could come to an end while Gary Gensler drops hints about re-signing during his address on Thursday. Gary Gensler made a passing reference to his departure, which resulted in a significant increase in the price of XRP. The Ripple-verse SEC chapter is likely to close soon with crypto-friendly laws and a new chair of the SEC, which could potentially unleash a positive rise for the price of XRP in the following weeks. This approaching event is predicted to take place after Donald Trump's election victory. Additionally, the Ripple community aspirations have been boosted as a result of the court's judgment in the class action complaint. This is because the foundation has already achieved a significant legal victory regarding the alleged unregistered sales of securities, because the court has scheduled the trial for final judgments to take place on January 21st. Experts think that Ripple's future looks bright. Analysts are optimistic about the price of XRP, which is expected to rally to 1.5. This past week, the price of XRP has increased by more than 45% as a result of growing market optimism and activities related to development. In addition, Charles Hoskinson has disclosed that he is in discussions with Ripple's CEO, which has led to the emergence of speculation over the possibility of a partnership between Ripple and Cardano. Another factor that is contributing to the rise in the price of XRP is the use of blockchain technology by banks. A bullish recovery for the price of XRP is being made possible by the anticipated legal settlement with the SEC, which is the primary cause. In the past 24 hours, the trading volume has increased by 112, which indicates that there is a significant amount of whale activity in the market, which is expected to be good based on charts and market patterns. $1.5 rally is very foreseeable if the price of XRP continues to surge this week in the face of positive influences. The DTX exchange Pakistan maintains its record-breaking pre-sale rally that it has been experiencing this year, following the successful completion of its batch 4 pre-sale and subsequent pre-listing on CoinMarketCap. The project is gaining momentum as a potentially transformative trading platform that will enable traders to achieve greater profits and maximize their returns. With almost $7.8 million, the DTX exchange now enters the pre-sale stage 5, affirmed through the implementation of its cutting-edge trading platform, which is designed to give traders the most recent industry features. DTX exchange has elevated traditional trading to a higher level. DTX exchange has gained a competitive advantage. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.